Hello, in this jQuery video I am going to cover the selector, which allows you to select an element if it contains a particular piece of text. So first of all, let's just create some paragraphs. For example, they could be divs, it could be whatever, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to create them in paragraph. I'm going to say hello world. I'll create another one, and to save a bit of time while I'm doing it, I'll duplicate this. So I want a few different ones, and this is going to say my name is Farhan, which it is, and I'm going to say I live on planet Earth, which I currently do. I am 26 years old, which I currently am, and my alter ego is Batman, which is also legitimately true. Okay, so now let's show you how to select, based on what text it contains. So first of all, let's put the dollar, and first you put the type of or the name of the element, so P for paragraph. Then you put colon, contains, and in here is where you put the text. So if I just put the letter, I don't know, I, for example, I'm going to say dot click, and actually, you know what, I'm just going to change the CSS. Don't worry if you don't understand any of this part yet, because I've got a separate video covering how to modify the CSS. I just wanted to, vary it up a bit. So I'm going to have a few different selectors based on what text it contains. So I'm going to say dot CSS, and I'm going to say background dash color is red. Yeah, that should, no, let's say yellow. And so now if I reload it, see what we get. So these are yellow because it contains the letter I. This doesn't. Actually, it does, but it has to be the lowercase I. So it is case sensitive. So for reload, now it's only this one. So that's something to bear in mind. Okay, you don't have to just do it based on one character. So if I duplicate this line, and let's say if I say anything with my, so my, I'm gonna change maybe the color of the font color. I'll change this to red. So these two should be red now. The actual font color should be, there we go. And that's it. That's how you select something based on the content, the string, the value that it contains. That's it. Very simple. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome video.